Hello YouTube, welcome back to Detailing and the Beast. Today is a good day. The postage just been and I now am the proud owner of one of the Karcher under chassis cleaning units. These things have been discontinued for a little while. They were sold off all over the country and B&Qs etc. for really cheap, and now they are like gold dust. Last week, week before, sorry, 2 weeks ago, I was bidding on eBay on one in the UK, pick up only from Crewe. So I thought, oh, not too far from me, you know, I might get this for a decent enough price. Yeah, I decided to contact them first and see if they would do me a buy it now price. It was on for 40 quid at that time, with 3 days left, and she replied saying, no, I would let the auction run. At which point I decided to actually put a number on it and said, well, I'll give you 100 quid there and then, thinking, you know, she might accept it, no PayPal fees, we're going to pick it up with cash, etc. And I was having a look around on eBay, and the previous ones, they were about 125 quid. So I thought, you know, that's a fair offer, that's what she'll get after fees, etc. So I thought, I'll offer 100 quid in cash. No reply. So I thought, right, we'll let it go, we'll keep going. And I put a bid on with about 2 minutes to go, about a minute and a half to go. And I put a bid on of £130. It instantly was outbid and ended up going for 209 quid. You're absolutely mental if you're going to pay 209 quid for one of these. Absolutely mental. I don't think it's worth that at all. So anyway, how did I get one? Well, I went straight back onto eBay and searched in chassis cleaner. Now instead of clicking on items from the UK, I then decided to include European countries just on the off chance that anybody had one. And sure enough, one popped up from Lyon in France. So I contacted them straight away and said, look, willing to buy it. It was on for £19, 19 on a start of an auction. So I said, right, how much do you want for it? Posted to the UK. I didn't get a reply. So I thought, I'll have a sneaky bid. So I got hold of an eBay sniper tool, which is basically a tool that allows you to bid on something like within the very last 3 seconds. And I put 70 quid in there. But it didn't go for any money of that. I got this for, I think it was £42 in the end. So 42 quid, it cost me, I think it was £13.50 or something like that for the postage. So, you know, 55 quid all in, which is a quarter of the price of the one being sold in the UK. So then I had a dilemma, will I keep it or will I put it straight back on eBay, buy it now, 250 quid. No, I'm only kidding, I'm keeping it. So we're going to open this up. Now the guy did say it was used and it has got brown tape on there. But from the pictures I saw on the ad, it looked opened but not used. And it is in fact opened but not used. These are the nozzles, the spare nozzles. Yeah, it's brand new. It's all in original bags. It's never been used. It's brand new. It's got all the retaining clips, etc. So we have the main unit. I'll have to look how this goes together. But all the extension arms, the rear wheels. Now this is the reason I bought or wanted one of these kits. Now this is basically a foam lance. If you have a look in there, there's a little gauze in there at the top, and it's a foam lance for under the car. You can put in there. So here we have a protection treatment chassis care wax from Karcher, full bottle, never been opened. So we get that as well. Now just 2 seconds, I do have something to show you that I want to put in mind. So I got these before Christmas in a Christmas sale from Mad Cow, particularly for 4x4. So this is an undercarriage cleanse. and this is a undercarriage seal. And up to now, I know I've got quite a bit of clearance, but I've had no way of doing this. So I'm looking forward to putting these into that attachment, and we'll get some treatment done on the truck. Okay, so I'm going to go and put this lot together, and I'll report back in a few minutes. So it's all built up. It was really easy, to be honest. It's just literally, as Karcher is, it's just push and twist on everything. And what I've done is I've just sorted the jet wash cupboard out, so I'll show you that now, how I'm going to keep it all. Because it is quite a big unit, but it does split into two. So what I've done is, I've moved my patio cleaning stuff to this side and just hung that up. And then got the Karcher jet, the chassis cleaner in the middle here in two parts, and then all my lances on the holders at the back. So all we need to do to get it out is literally lift the front part off that hook, lift that centre section out, and I'll go through all these in a minute. Connect the two together like that, and attach it to your lance, and jobs are good. So that's the unit set up. It's a bit of a beast. It's about 2 meters long in total, and then you actually just wheel it in and out under the chassis like so. I believe it is adjustable. The adjustment on this is ridiculously easy. So if you're getting under lower cars or on 4x4s like mine, you literally just push this and lift this. So take the chassis cleaner with one hand there and literally just push, so it'll go right down to the floor. I mean, it's almost touching the floor. For really low cars, I mean, the height on that, 11 centimeters. So this will go under cars 11 centimeters off the floor. Up to, again, as I say, you literally just lift that up. I mean, that's almost out of my shot. So for me, I'll probably try this one first, with it being a lifted truck. That is 36 centimeters. So between 11 centimeters and 36 centimeters, you've got varying degrees, varying angles. In fact, it's just gone up one more click, so let's have a look how tall that actually is. 40 centimeters. I'm just going to go outside now and just do a very quick, I'm not going to do a proper under clean of the carriage, that's for another day. But just to show you how it works, rolling in and out, and get some footage of it in action. That looks brilliant. So there will be an in-depth video coming on this chassis cleaner soon. I just need to find time and a suitable car to use, something that is absolutely grubby and horrible underneath. So hit the subscribe button. When that comes available, you'll be notified. Thank you to everybody who's subscribed recently. I just want to say a big thank you to every single one of you. And I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.